Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. We want to show you how you can unlock your potential and achieve all your goals using a proven system. It's time to introduce you to the S.M.A.R.T System, a powerful framework that will guide you step by step towards success. Now, let's take a moment to discuss the importance of goals. We all have dreams and aspirations, but the path to turning them into reality requires a structured and strategic approach. That's where the S.M.A.R.T system comes in. It's an invaluable tool that can guide you towards success by incorporating 5 key elements: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When setting goals, being specific is essential. Vague or general aspirations lack direction and make it challenging to create a clear roadmap for achievement. By defining your goals with precision, you provide yourself with a clear target to aim for. Additionally, incorporating measurability into your goals is crucial. Tracking your progress and having tangible metrics to evaluate your success keeps you motivated and helps you stay on course. Measuring your achievements along the way allows you to celebrate milestones and make any necessary adjustments to your approach. Equally important is ensuring that your goals are achievable. While it's great to dream big, setting unrealistic or unattainable goals can lead to discouragement and frustration. By establishing objectives that are within your reach, you cultivate a sense of belief in your abilities and maintain the momentum needed for long-term success. Let's dive deeper into this crucial first step of the S.M.A.R.T system: being specific about what you want to achieve. It's essential to move beyond vague aspirations if you truly want to make progress. Take a moment to reflect on your desires, whether they involve improving your fitness, advancing your career, or learning a new skill. By clearly defining your goals, you provide yourself with a clear target to aim for. It's like having a destination in mind before embarking on a journey. So ask yourself, what exactly do I want to accomplish? How will I know when I've achieved it? For instance, if your goal is to improve your fitness, get specific about the details. Is it about losing weight, gaining strength, or enhancing your overall endurance? The more precise you are, the better you can tailor your actions to align with your desired outcome. The second crucial step is ensuring that your goals are measurable. This means establishing clear metrics that will enable you to track your progress effectively. By defining specific criteria for success, you not only stay motivated, but also gain a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone along your journey. Measurable goals provide you with tangible evidence of your progress, allowing you to gauge how far you've come and adjust your efforts if needed. Whether it's tracking the number of sales you make, the distance you run, or the number of pages you read, having measurable targets provides clarity and direction. Next, let's talk about the importance of setting achievable goals. While it's crucial to dream big and aim high, it's equally important to ensure that your goals are within your reach. Setting realistic targets allows you to maintain a sense of confidence and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the enormity of the task ahead. By setting achievable goals, you set yourself up for success. You create a roadmap that is tangible and attainable, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on your journey. It's like climbing a mountain. You break it down into smaller steps, conquering one peak at a time. The fourth step is ensuring that your goals are not only specific and measurable, but also relevant to your overall vision and values. Take a moment to reflect and ask yourself, will achieving this goal bring me closer to the life I truly desire? It's essential to invest your time and energy in pursuits that align with your passions and priorities. When your goals are relevant, they become more meaningful and fulfilling. They become a reflection of who you are and what you genuinely value in life. By pursuing goals that resonate with your innermost desires, you will experience a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction throughout your journey. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of making your goals time-bound. Setting deadlines for yourself is crucial in creating a sense of urgency and maintaining focus throughout your journey. By attaching timeframes to your goals, you introduce structure that enables you to prioritize your efforts effectively. Think of deadlines as guideposts on your path to success. They provide a sense of direction and help you stay on track. Without them, it's easy to get caught up in the business of life and lose sight of what truly matters. Remember, time is a precious resource, and it's up to you to make the most of it. By setting deadlines, you demonstrate your commitment to achieving your goals. You show yourself and the world that you're serious about turning your dreams into reality. So let's recap. S.M.A.R.T stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following these easy steps, you can set yourself up for success and turn your dreams into tangible achievements. Now that you understand the S.M.A.R.T system, it's time to put it into action. Grab a pen and paper and start by identifying a specific goal you want to achieve. Write it down and make it measurable by breaking it down into smaller milestones. Then, assess its achievability and relevance to your overall vision. Lastly, set a deadline to hold yourself accountable. Remember, the journey towards your goals is just as important as the destination. Stay committed, stay focused, and be ready to adapt as you progress. And always celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how big or small. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and achieve everything you've ever dreamed of? Embrace the power of the S.M.A.R.T system and let's make it happen. Remember, achieving your goals is within your reach. The S.M.A.R.T system is your roadmap, and it's up to you to take the first step towards your dreams. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and commit to the process. You have the power to create the life you desire. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the incredible potential of the S.M.A.R.T system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. We're here to support you on your journey towards success. Now, go out there and unleash your full potential. Remember, with the S.M.A.R.T system, you can achieve all your goals. Best of luck, and we'll see you in the next video.